This lecture is about Punjab Public Service Commission General Knowledge 2015 Solid Paper. Question number 1. Day and night are a result of Earth's rotation around its axis. Most abundant element in Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen. Brightest planet in our solar system is Venus. Renaissance is a period of revival or rebirth of learning. The French Revolution began in the year 1789. Who wrote Communist Manifesto? Karl Marx. Which is not UN agency? ICRC. Who is known as the father of geometry? Euclid. Who discovered the sea route to India? Vasco da Gama. Maria Montessori's name is associated with child education. First navigator to sail around the world was Magellan. Deepest lake in the world is Baikal. Cloudy nights are warmer because cloud prevent radiation of heat from ground to earth. Which of the following is not primary color? Black. Red light is used in traffic signal because it has longest wavelength and can be noticed from distance. Sound travel fastest through steel. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Which of the following is not a mammal? Fish. Age of tree can be known by counting number of rings in stems. During daytime, a plant take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Total volume of blood in a normal human is 5 to 6 liters. The number of bones in human body are 206. Average human heart beat per minute is 72. Main component of bones and teeth is calcium phosphate. Human cells contain 46 chromosomes. Strongest muscle in human body is buttock. Function of kidney is to remove waste products from body. Which gland secretes tears? Lacrimal. The largest organ of human body is skin. Universal blood donor group is O. Enzymes help in digestion of foods. Vitamin which promote function of eyes, A, vitamin A. Malaria affects spleen. Autopsy is connected with post-mortem. Who discovered Earth revolves around Sun? Copernicus. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. Magna Carta is historical documents curbing king's power. Headquarters of International Court of Justice is at Hague, which is concerned with welfare of children. UNICEF. Term of judge of International Court of Justice is 9 years. Who founded Red Cross? J.H. Durant. Who invented writing printing system for blinds? Louis Braille. First human space travelers was Yuri Gagarin. Zionism is a political movement of Jews. Who pioneered nursing system? Florence Nightingale. Street famous for stock exchange market is Wall Street. Who discovered oxygen? pressed clay. Food is cooked fast in pressure cooker as boiling point of water is increased. Hardest element is diamond, which is fire resistant. Asbestos. Major constituent of air is nitrogen. Bronze is alloy of copper and tin. First metal used by men was copper. Element common to all acid is hydrogen. Idea of civil defense was emerged in after World War I. Pakistan's first Civil Defense Academy 1958 was established at Lahore. SARC Disaster Management Center 2006 is at New Delhi. In 20th century, largest magnitude of earthquake was recorded in 1968, Valdivia, Chile. Charles Francis Richter 1935 developed Richter scale to measure earthquake. Reason for war 1857, mismanagement of Indian Army, non-representation of Indian, forcible religious conversion to Christianity. All are correct. Reason for war of 1857. After which incident Sir Said predicted Hindu-Muslim disunity. Urdu-Hindi controversy. Sir Said prevented Muslims to join Congress because he urged them to join Indian Patriotic Association rather. Who founded Sindh Madrasatul Islam? Hassan Afandi. In 1927, Muslim League was divided between Shafi League and Muslim League because Sir Shafi and his supporter wanted to cooperate with Simon. Satyagraha movement under Gandhi's direction was extending support to Khilafat movement and boycott of English goods. When Muslim League surrendered demand of separate electorate, Delhi proposal 1927. Who first supported Pakistan Resolution 1940? Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman. Congress formed minister after 1937 election in 7 provinces. When Qaid said Hindu India and Muslim India parted forever, and rejection his proposed modification in Nehru Report 1928. Who took oath of Governor General from Quaid-e-Azam? Justice Abdul Rashid. Princely state occupied illegally by India in November 1948 was Hyderabad, Deccan. After Qaid, who became president of Muslim League? Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman. In northeast Pakistan shared border with Afghanistan. Who opposed Pakistan joining in UNO, Afghanistan? Longest glacier of Pakistan is Siachen. Islamabad became capital of Pakistan in 1960. Pakistan is located in north of Tropic of Cancer. Which part of Pakistan receives maximum rainfall annually? Murree. Diamond cuts diamonds means retaliation. To make amend for, it means to compensate for damage. Acrimonious means bitter. Turpitude means lethargy. Bitter and acrimonious ये तल्ख को कहते हैं. Turpitude lethargy सुस्ती काहली को कहते हैं. Nebulous means वेगू, ये कहते हैं मशकूक मुबहिम को. En route means on the way. Inter alia means in between, दरमियान में. De novo means new, नया. paucity is opposite of surplus. Paucity کمی کو کہتے ہیں, surplus زیادہ کو کہتے ہیں. overt is the opposite of concealed. overt جو چیز سامنے ہو, نظر آ رہا ہو, concealed چھپایا ہوا. اردو سوانح نگار بایوگرافی کا بانی الطاف حسین خالی. اردو نثر کے پہلی کتاب سبرس کا رائٹر ملا وجہی. علی پور کی ایلی ریٹن بائی ممتاز مفتی. اقبال کی کون سی کتاب ان کی وفات کے بعد پبلش ہے؟ ارمغان حجاز. تلقیم شاہ کا کردار کس نے تخلیق کیا؟ اشفاق احمد. قرآن میں کتنے انبیاء کا ذکر آیا ہے؟ 26. سب سے زیادہ کس نبی کا ذکر قرآن میں ہے؟ حضرت موسیٰ علیہ السلام. واقعی معراج کا کس سورہ میں ذکر ہے؟ سورہ بنی اسرائیل. پہلے سجدہ کس سورہ میں ہے؟ سورہ الاعراف. پہلا سجدہ کس سورہ میں ہے؟ الاعراف. حج کس سال فرض ہوا؟ 9 ہجری کو. سو گائز دس واز دا اینڈ آف دا لیکچر. پلیز اس ویڈیو کو ضرور لائک کریں اینڈ سبسکرائب مائی چینل. تھینک یو.